I can watch the world go by or DVD. All I have to do is close my eyes when it's time to sleep. I love my car seat, it's so fun, takes me everywhere. When I'm strapped in, I feel safe, and I know you can. 'Cause we all gotta be buckled up when we're rolling down the street on a big adventure in my car seat.